Hey, this is Eric Steinberg from the Lee Steinberg Law Firm. All right, so who pays the Michigan no-fault benefits after a crash? Which car insurance company is responsible for paying? All right, there's two claims here when you're involved in a car wreck usually. There's a first-party Michigan no-fault claim, also known as a PIP claim, and then there's a pain and suffering claim. The pain and suffering claim is your classic negligence claim. That's the claim that you have against the other car or the other owner of the car for causing the accident, and you're suing them or making a claim for your pain and suffering. However, payment for medical bills, lost wages, things like that is different. That actually doesn't necessarily come from the other person's insurance. Instead, you always follow or start with your own car insurance first. Now it sounds strange, but this has been the law for the last 50 years. So you start with your own car insurance first for the payment of your own no-fault benefits like medical bills and lost wages. If you don't have auto insurance, you go through the auto insurance of a resident relative. So let's say you live with your sister, or you live with your spouse, or you live with even with your kid. Their auto insurance is responsible for paying your benefits, even if their car wasn't involved. Okay, so let's say you don't have any auto insurance in your household, and you don't have any of your own. The last place you go to is the Michigan Assigned Claims Plan, or the MACP. This is a sort of an organization run by the auto insurance carriers. You have to fill out an application and provide proof of the auto accident, usually like a police report, something like that. And you send the application in, and then they will assign an insurance company to pay your claim, like Farm Bureau or Allstate or Citizens, and they will pay your no-fault claim up to $250,000. There's a $250,000 limit for those assigned claims. So that's the order of priority. You always start with your own car insurance. If you don't have it, resident relative. If none there, then you go through the MACP. There's one exception, and this is important. If you are driving around your own car that you own that's uninsured, you can't do anything. You can't make a claim for no-fault benefits. You can't even go after the guy who caused your crash. Let's say you get hit by a drunk driver. Too bad. You cannot do anything. So it's really important that you have your car insured when you're operating and driving on Michigan roads.